Imagine a world where learning is as fun as playing with your favorite cat. Let's dive into the world of basic greetings in English with our fluffy friends. First up, meet Mr. Whiskers. When you see someone, just like Mr. Whiskers waves his paw, you say, "Hello." Can you try saying hello like Mr. Whiskers? Now, when Mr. Whiskers meets his friend, he says, "Hi." It's a friendly and casual way to greet someone. Practice saying hi with a big smile like Mr. Whiskers. Look at Miss Mittens. She loves to greet everyone with a cheerful good morning. It's perfect to use when you see someone in the morning. And when the sun is setting, Miss Mittens switches to good evening. It's a polite way to greet someone later in the day. Can you say good evening with her? Now, let's learn how to say goodbye. When Mr. Whiskers leaves, he says goodbye. It's a simple and polite way to bid farewell. Try it with a wave. Miss Mittens, on the other hand, prefers saying bye when she's in a hurry. It's a quick and friendly way to say goodbye. Can you say bye like Miss Mittens? Sometimes, Mr. Whiskers likes to say, "See you later," when he's planning to meet his friends again soon. It's a fun way to say goodbye for now. Miss Mittens often uses "take care" when she wants to wish someone well as they leave. It's a thoughtful way to say goodbye. Let's say, "take care" together. Now, let's see how our feline friends combine greetings. Mr. Whiskers says, "Hello, how are you?" when he meets a friend. It's a great way to start a conversation. And when Miss Mittens says, "Hi, how's it going?" she's showing interest in her friend's day. Repeat after her, "Hi, how's it going?" Sometimes, Mr. Whiskers hears "good morning" and responds with "good morning. How are you?" It's nice to add "how are you" to show you care. And when Miss Mittens hears "good evening," she replies with "good evening. How have you been?" It's a great way to catch up with someone. Mr. Whiskers loves to say, "See you soon," when he's excited to meet again shortly. Try saying "see you soon" with a happy tone like Mr. Whiskers. When Miss Mittens says "catch you later," she's being playful. Practice saying "catch you later" with a fun attitude. At the end of a playdate, Mr. Whiskers and Miss Mittens say goodbye and bye together. It shows they had a good time and will miss each other. Remember, greetings are just like cats' purrs, making everyone feel warm and happy. So practice these phrases and spread the joy. Learning with cats makes everything fun, right? Keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro at saying hello and goodbye, just like Mr. Whiskers and Miss Mittens.